Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. So I have another popular product here. This is QuikClot Combat Gauze. So this is a gauze that's impregnated with a hemostatic agent that helps with the clotting process for bleeding control. So we can use a tourniquet, we can use this. We use this a lot in areas that we cannot get a tourniquet. Maybe it's the pelvis, the neck, the shoulder area. We just can't get a tourniquet up high enough for that major bleeding. We can use this here. This is used for moderate or severe bleeding. So I'll show you real quick here. So we have a nasty wound. There's blood pouring out of here. We're not able to get a tourniquet applied to the area, so we're going to use our QuikClot Combat Gauze here to control the bleeding. The important thing about this is getting pressure to the source of the bleeding. So we can open it up. It does have an x-ray strip in there so they can x-ray at the hospital. But this Z-folds open just like this. When we go in, we want to make sure that we're putting pressure on there and getting it to the source of the bleeding. We want to pack it as tight as we can get it, packing all the little crevices side to side, and we want to get as much gauze in there as possible. We're also going to hold good pressure once we get all this done to help get all the clots secured. So we pack it down in there, hold pressure tightly. This is going to help the clotting cascade work its way down to the source of the bleeding and get it controlled. Hold good solid pressure for at least 3 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. Again, we recommend you guys get training with the right gear. So look for a bleeding control class, a first care provider course in your area.